Hello, my people. Today we are learning about what is Printful and what is Printful. What does Printful actually do? So, if you know that what is Printful, let me tell you for the ones who doesn't know. Printful is a print-on-demand website. Now, what is a print-on-demand website? A print-on-demand website is a type of website in which you can actually upload your designs, and after that, whenever you get any sale, actually then you can get the whole thing designed, that the design you have done, it will be sent to the person who have actually bought it. That is, you do not have to take care of anything. What you need to do is completely simple. You basically need to design the stuff, and if you don't want to design, it's completely okay. If you have some amount of money like $5-10, you can actually go on to Fiverr and you can hire a designer. You can go on to Upwork, you can hire a designer, and then you can actually do the whole work. How? By simply delegating. How you need to do is completely simple. You need to take the design, you need to upload the design. For example, you take the design from Fiverr or Upwork, then you take the design and you paste onto Printful. And how you can use Printful, I am going to be showing you in quite a few minutes. Now, what you need to do is completely simple. You need to upload the design, and whenever anyone buys it, you can actually send it to them. How you can actually send it to them? Now, it's very simple. See, you do not have to take care of anything. You have Whenever you have simply uploaded, it's the actual work will be done by Printful. They are going to be doing few little simple things like taking the best fabric, you can say, then after that they're going to be printing it up, and there are different options, as in you get 200 and more than 220 products, and you get different options on print on demand, like you can cut and sew, you can actually do the all of the sublimation. And now all of it, if you want to learn more, you can go into Google, you can learn what is sublimation. What is sublimation? It's completely simple, you can say. Now, what you need to do is that you then take the design, you upload it, and after that, everything, the printing will be done by them. The choice selection of the t-shirt, hoodie, or it can be tote bags, whatever it might be, everything will be done by them. And after that, the printing is done, the packaging is done, and it will be even be sent by them with your, if you want a custom logo, then you can also put up there, and it will be done by them. After that, it will be sent to your audience or to your customer who has actually ordered your design. Now, now here comes the biggest question: how you can actually get much amount of customers, and how you can find designs. Now, if you want to find designs, the best way, if you don't know anything about it, simply give it to the right person who is an expert. So give it to the expert who will be actually be making all of it, because until and unless you don't know anything about it, the other person who is an expert has made hundreds and thousands of designs already, so he knows exactly what sells. Now we are going to be going on to the Printful website. So right now we are here in printful.com, and you can see on printful.com there are options like products, services, integration, how it works, design maker, resources, blogs, enterprise, and so much more. So here is an option you can see, which is sign in and sign up, and here is my card. So we can actually sign up if we are a new user. So whenever you are a new user, you simply need to go on to this sign up option, and before that, I want to show you all these products. And you can see whenever we go onto this products tab, you can see men's clothing, women's clothing, kids and youth clothing, hats, accessories, home and living, eco-friendly premium products, and so much more. So you can actually have all of the things that you want. And whenever we go on to men's clothing, for example, you can see all shirts like t-shirts, all over tush, tank tops, crop tops, embroidery, 3/4, and that's long sleeves, and hoodies and leggings, and so many things. From here is sweatshirts too. Now, if you love hoodies just like me, and you can also make hoodies, and who is gonna buy it? People like me are going to be buying all of it. And you can see that for women there are tank tops, crop tops, leggings, skirts, shorts, dresses, swimwear, and sports bras and robes and hoodies, and so many more. Now for kids, here are some kids long sleeves, baby beams, okay, And here are some pillowcases for home and living. So basically what's happening is that for example, here are accessories, bags, laptop bags, duffel bags, drawstring, fanny packs, backpacks, iPhone cases, Samsung, schools, sharks, flip-flops, and so many things. So now you can get basically anything that you want. You can sell anything you want. You can actually have this. And you know what, this is a lifetime offer that you can have. How you can actually do it? Because if you want to make this a big business, you can basically do that. Now, for example, here are some brands. They actually are, you can see here are some brands that are for here, as in Bella Plus Canvas, Adidas Custom Kit, Liberty Bags, AutoCap, Ramen Skins, and so much more. Here is create and sell products online. So you can create and sell your custom products, that is custom, that is especially for a selected number of audience, and you can actually sell it. You can simply put the design like this up here, and whenever you do it, you can actually sell it to the all of people. So here is an option which means start selling, and you can order for yourself. Whenever you do that, you can all go up here, or do every month over 1 million items are being shipped. Not just that, you can go up to this printful option. You can sell with print on demand, order for yourself, and you can store your own products if you want to do that. And now whenever we go on to the sign up option, different options like sign up to printful using Facebook, Google, Apple. So they should write meta up here, right? So here is works best with all of the things, and you can design, test your designs if you want to do it in your own way. Not just that, now here is a question, that what other things that you can actually do, and how much pricing can you put? You can actually use this design maker. Also, there are different services like branding, warehouse and fulfillment, creative subscription plans, store setup, and many things. So you can basically check this website out, and you can see whatever the things that you want to do, you can do it real easily. You can go on to how it works. You can go on to different options that are completely simple, like this shirt, t-shirt, and tank tops, embroidery shirts, hoodies, and sweatshirt. You can see posters up there, canvas prints, leggings, phone cases, and so much more. So how it works, you can go up there. Now here comes the big question. I'm going to show you a bonus offer. So whenever you want to do something real great, here is another website that you can actually integrate the printful with this in this app or software, whatever you want to say. So this is known as Shopify, and you can see that anyone anywhere can start an e-commerce website. So you can actually integrate with this. I have given a link in the description by which you can learn how you can actually produce a mass scale business, and not just mass scale but a niche based business also, with the help of Shopify. So now whenever you do all of it, you can actually integrate with the help of Shopify in the right way, so you can start selling real easily. Now if you have got traffic, how you can get traffic? It's completely simple. You can use Facebook ads if you want. You can actually do some theme pages. You can do some YouTube videos and get the links up there. And not just that, you I have just showed you that some no face channels that you can actually start. So you didn't need to go onto this special thing. You need to go on to Muralist. So here is the bonus. Today we are going to be talking about Muralist also. Now as you can see that what is Muralist? Muralist is a generate, it will help you generating sales with cold emails, and there are so many products that you can actually try. Here is some email campaigns, email warming, email validate, and lead engine. We are going to be talking about that in a bit. So here you can see some email campaigns, you can see email warming, and not just that, actually you can have a competitive edge that will be helping you up. You can upload self videos just like this, and then you can use your existing list and you can send it at scale. Now why you should use this mural list is completely simple, because it will help you with sector rotation, hyper personalization, lead generation, automated sales pipeline, and some email warming also. So if you want to get the drip campaign, you can do all of it. You can have real-time analytics, some prospect list manager from the blog. And not just that, if you want to know much more, here is the question, that what is ColeML? I'm going to tell you about like a beginner. If you're a beginner, I'm going to be talking about just in that language only. So for example, what is a ColeML? If someone gives you an email ID, then you send them some real good value. And how you can do it is by providing some good amount of content and some great offers. Now, that will be helping you to warm the email and to give it a traction, not friction. How can Muralist actually help us? Muralist can help us by different ways. Like it helps us in getting personalized messages. I mean, don't you like personalized messages? If I send you a personalized message, I hope that you will actually be going to be loving it. Why? Because we love something that is just for us, right? Just imagine this: if you have got gift and there is a name written onto that, and we feel so happy about. Can we make personalized messages? Is very simple. We need to upload a short video. So whenever we upload a short video, we'll be actually be writing the greetings up there. And whenever we write the greetings up there, then we have to do another simple step. What is that? We have to decide our own CTA. Now, what is a CTA? CTA means call to action. That is what will be the next step. We actually decide, you decide basically how you want to take that traffic source or that audience, the group of audience, and channelize it through a pipeline which will be helping people up and to getting their desired results. The best thing that I like about Mirrorlist is that it will automatically personalize the whole video of yours. And whenever you do that, what's going to be happening is that it creates simultaneously, it creates your landing page. So it simultaneously creates a landing page that is really cool. So then you can take the whole thing to that and you can send it out with the help of, you can send the print on demand with the help of that. Then you can sell it out real fast. Then this will drive the prospect into your CTA that you have decided. And whenever this happens, you can see that an average of 67% that is being noted. There has been a 67% average of more replies to the CTS of the cold emails that are being sent. Now, there are many more tricks just like that. I'm going to be talking about another thing, that is interval sending. Now, what is interval sending? Interval sending is a really great way that's being used by Mirrorlist, and how we can actually get benefit from it is that we can use automated delay system. That is, it automatically delays the whole thing so that the big messages, the big email that you send are not going to be getting and doesn't peg you into getting into the spam thing. Now, here is another thing. Whenever we combine it, so what we need to do is we need to combine it with another simple intelligent thing, which has been a proven thing and which will be really beneficial for us. We can use intelligent rotation. Now, what is intelligent rotation? It will automatically rotates which email you are sending it. Not just that, I'm going to give you another bonus. What is that? Spin tax text. What is spin text? It basically rotates the text, which is completely simple, completely easy to do. And not just that, whenever we try to get the things that we want, we can actually have that. Now, if I tell you in a real way, first step is to get traffic. Then from, it can be from any source like Facebook ads, Instagram ads, it can be TikTok ads, it can be like YouTube channel, and it can be from different sources. Then you take them to Merlist, and then you send the cold emails, and you simply do email warming, and you send personalized messages, video messages basically. And after that, you actually take them to Printful, which will be getting you into real sales. And then you make much more into a brand, and then you send it again and again, and you get a recurring purchase, and it is giving you a passive income basically, because it's a fix that you can do. There are big channels that are doing it, there are big websites that are doing it, there are big companies that are doing it. Now, people talk about email deliverability. So Moralist helps us in getting good email deliverability over the life of our campaign, your campaign, and many more. So it helps you into your getting your right audience. It helps you to get the right message that you want to send to your audience. Not just that, Muralist is also a email warming that I was talking about. Now, what is email warming? Email warming is basically auto send, auto receive, and reply. What is the importance of that? It will give an organic traction, creates less friction to the conversation that you and your prospect are having. And then you can have that organic activity going on. Not just that, it reduces the bounce rate, lands you to the main inbox, not to the spam one. And we all love that. So that is how you can actually do the real thing. And then, whenever you do that, you can actually get the real things done for you. And whenever these things happen, you can actually use Printful in a right way. And then, with the help of the techniques that I just told you, get some high results real easily, real fast. The pro tip that I always give is be consistent and don't just get into something that you might don't feel like doing it. Now, what happens is that if you whatever you want to do it, you can actually do it in a real easy way, and you are going to be getting some guaranteed results if you do it in a correct way. So take your step. You have to choose if you want to start one day or it's the day one.